Bitcoin money value equivalent to $122.45 a coin, which especially is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, 122.11 125.02, which sort of is very critical. The earlier day close, 124.87. The change sort of was 2.42, 1.94%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Opposite rate, USD to BCH in a for the most part enormous manner. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $125, truly most extreme 134, sort of least 116 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $126, beautiful greatest 135, essentially least 117 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $121, truly most extreme 129, in every way that really matters, least 113, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $124, especially most extreme 133, really least 115, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday. April 3, cost $116, in every practical sense, greatest 124, really least 108, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday. April 4, cost $119, especially most extreme 127, genuinely least 111, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday. April 5, cost $114, really most extreme 122, genuinely least 106 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday. April 6, cost $118, really most extreme 126, genuinely least 110, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday. April 7, cost $114, fundamentally most extreme 122, beautiful least 106, or so they especially thought. In about 14 days Bitcoin money estimate on Monday. April 10, cost $123, most certainly greatest 132, by and large least 114, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday. April 11, cost $125, exceptionally greatest 134, least 116, so Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday. April 11, cost $125, genuinely most extreme 134, essentially least 116, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday. April 12, cost $118, genuinely most extreme 126, especially least 110, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday. April 13, cost $122, exceptionally greatest 131, fundamentally least 113, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday. April 14, cost $128, extremely greatest 137, least 119, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday. April 17, cost $136, kind of most extreme 146, especially least 126, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday. April 18, cost $137, really greatest 147, sort of least 127 amazingly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday. April 19, cost $142, greatest 152, especially least 132 in a very significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday. April 20, cost $132, exceptionally greatest 141, for the most part least 123, so the change was 2.42, 1.94%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday. April 21, cost $126, lovely greatest 135, least 117. In about a month Bitcoin money gauge on Monday. April 24, cost $124, most certainly greatest 133, lovely least 115, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday. April 25, cost $125, certainly greatest 134, extremely least 116 in a significant way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday. April 26, cost $124, certainly most extreme 133, beautiful least 115. kind of additional appearance how in 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday. April 17, cost $136, genuinely greatest 146, most certainly least 126, which most certainly is very critical. USD to BCH conversion standard really equivalent to 0.8167 coins per $100 in an unobtrusive manner. Today, S-reach 0.7999-0.8189, showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $125, sort of most extreme 134, by and large least 116 in an unpretentious manner. The past day, S nearby 0.8008, which truly is very huge. Change for now plus 0.0159, plus 1.99%. USD to BCH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 0.800 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.862, certainly least 0.746 in an unobtrusive way. USD to BCH forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 0.794 coins, kind of greatest 0.855, certainly least 0.741 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 0.826 coins, especially greatest 0.885, sort of least 0.775, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to BCH expectation on Friday. Walk 31, cost 0.806 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.870, sort of least 0.752. And multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, April 3, cost 0.862 coins, especially most extreme 0.926, certainly least 0.806, which certainly is genuinely huge. USD to BCH forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.840 coins, by and large most extreme 0.901, least 0.787. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.877 coins, lovely most extreme 0.943, in every way that really matters, least 0.820 in a fundamentally enormous way. USD to BCH expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.847 coins, essentially greatest 0.909, by and large least 0.794, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 7, cost 0.877 coins, most certainly greatest 0.943, kind of least 0.820. In about 14 days USD to BCH expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 0.813 coins, greatest 0.877, all things considered, least 0.758, showing how dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.877 coins, truly most extreme 0.943, genuinely least 0.820, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.800 coins, certainly greatest 0.862, kind of least 0.